Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting With channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet bell and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that a crochet bell, I will use Elise baby screen yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 5 chains. And make double crochet into that magic ring and make 2 chains and repeat this group 6 times. I mean with that group double crochet and 2 chains. Repeat that group 6 times. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 1 and close with a slip stitch. Then I will start a new round. I will make a slip stitch into next stitch as shown now and make 3 chains. Then make double crochet into next stitch. Then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet into the next space as shown now and repeat that group 6 times as shown now. Then finish with 2 chains and close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finish round 2, then I will close with slip stitch as shown now. And start new round, round 3. I will make slip stitch into next 2 stitches. Then make 3 chains and make double crochet into next stitch. Then make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet into same space as shown now. Then I will make 2 double crochet into the next space. Then make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet again to make that shell and repeat that shell 6 times. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that round, then close with slip stitch and repeat that round 2 rounds more as shown now. I will repeat round 4, round 5 and round 6. Repeat round 4. I will make it and I'll come back. I finished 6 rounds, then I will start round 7. I will make slip stitch into next 2 stitches as shown now and make 3 chains, then make 7 double crochet into that space, and repeat that for another spaces. So I will make 8 double crochet stitches into every space across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that round, then close with slip stitch. Then I will start a new round. I will make a chain and make single crochet into every stitch across that row and close with slip stitch. I will make it and I will come back. Now I finish that bell with the shape. Then I will start making a chains, 30 chains to hang that bell. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I will join the chains with the bell to hang it. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet bell and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.